Hello, what's up guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel and welcome back to this video. In this video today I'm going to be showing you how to place a sell position using paper trading on TradingView, right? So without wasting much time, before we get started, please do well to subscribe to our YouTube channel and turn on that notification button. So right now we're just going to click on our chart right here. Once we click on our chart, so we've analyzed the pair and we want to short this pair, right? So we want to short this pair, so we bring out our part 2. So let me delete this and do it again. So we bring out on our part 2, you tap right here, this icon, you bring out. Now we are going to tap on our rectangle tool. So if you don't know how to use your rectangle tool, we've already done a YouTube video for that, so you can go on our YouTube channel to check out the video so you understand how to use your part 2. So right now I'll still click on this tool again to bring out my short position tool. You can see right here, short position tool. So I'll just click on it. So I want to set my take profit right here and my stop loss right here, and my stop loss should be just above this. So now I've set everything and I want to place a short position using my paper trading view. So I'm just going to tap on this. Now if I tap on it, you can see these 3 dots right here. These 3 dots, I'll click on it. Once I click on it, you will see create limit order. So I'll create a limit order. Now you can see paper trading right here. I'm just going to click on it, then I will click on connect. Once I click on connect, it's loading. Now it has connected. My paper trading has been connected. So right now all I just need to do is tap on this again. I'll tap on it. Now these 3 icons again, I'll click on it. Once I click on it, now create limit order. You can see right here. Now remember I inverted this scale, so I'll use it as an example. So right now you just see right here, I'll click on it, and once I click on it, you can see my limit order has been placed. Right here you can see my entry, you can see my stop loss, and you can see my take profit right here. So this is the simplest way on how to place a sell position using your trading view on an invert scale, because this is, I inverted this scale using it to show you as an example right here. So if you don't know how to invert the scale, there will be a video in our YouTube channel already which teaches you how to invert your scale using TradingView. So this is the simplest way on how to place a position, a limit order using paper TradingView on TradingView, right? Thank you for watching this video until this time. Please, if you are new to the YouTube channel, do well to subscribe and also turn on that notification button so you get notified whenever we post an important video like this. Thank you for watching.